In HeavyBid, there's three distinct areas, and they are the cost, then the summary, and the bid pricing. Of course, the cost, for instance, here in the tree view, is where you develop all the costs for the job. There's no markups or any profit in here. And then you have the bid summary, where the costs are brought forward and then markup applied, and then all of these instructions here develop the bid pricing. Now the bid summary is where you would actually place the markup, which is a percentage of costs. You would perhaps select a bond table, and then you would tell it how you want these standard spreads to work. For instance, I could have the indirect spread on total, or maybe total less sub. I could have my markup spread on any number of ways here, even as a percentage of how I mark it up. And then the add-ons and bonds I could have, again, spread differently. Now, these have no effect on the total calculation for each one of these, but it's just a matter of where you want to spread the bucket of indirects, the bucket of markup, and the bucket of add-ons and bonds. Now you can see down here that when I want to update something, it will be bold. I click it, and these costs are updated. I also have add-ons where I can add add-ons that come after the markups. I can develop my bond setup here. There is one of my bond tables. I can also do overrides here. And then I can have package alternates where I can have base bids and then different alternates that I could turn on and off. So again, there's many things that you can do here in the summary. And the idea here is that you are developing, by using your costs, all the markup percentages, the add-ons, the overhead, the bonds, and then you're working with the spread overrides to actually do some overrides and allocate where you want some of that money to go before you get into the bid price screen. So a lot goes on here, and this is what develops in the end results. When I click Run Spread, this will develop the balanced bid price and all the bid items which will have a balanced bid price. And we can see that here on this screen represented by the blue numbers. That is the numbers that are developed by the bid summary instructions.